It's almost pancake day, and whether you like your pancakes savoury or you like them sweet, this is the only video you need. Hi guys, welcome back to Dadlicious Eats, and it is almost Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday, depending on what you call it. So it's time to get ready to make some pancakes. Pretty much every year I need to Google how to make pancakes and the recipe that I need, so I've put together this video for you to help you out this year. As always, it would really help me out if you were to like this video, helps me share it out on YouTube and show that it really doesn't cost a lot of money to make great tasting food. This recipe literally costs just pennies to make, so let's get cooking. So ingredient wise, this could not be simpler. A basic batter requires only 3 ingredients. So we are going to have 2 eggs, 200 grams of plain flour, and 400 milliliters of semi-skimmed milk. So if you do want to use alternative flours, by all means go ahead. So in particular, you might want to use a little bit of wholemeal or buckwheat if you're making a savoury pancake. Don't go fully wholemeal or buckwheat, just add a little bit, probably about 20% or so to the mixture. So let's make the batter. In goes the milk. I'm going to mix in the eggs, so that's 1, and that's 2. Always try and make sure you use free-range eggs if you can. They're a tiny bit more pricey, but they taste so much better, and they're so much better for it's so much better for the chickens as well. So just mix that in a little bit, and then we're going to add in the flour. And all we're going to do is give that a really good mix around. You want to get it as lump-free as possible. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Really appreciate you coming back. I'm over 1,000 subscribers now, which is amazing over the last few months. If you're not a subscriber, why not click that button now? I've got tons of videos I want to share with you. I'm getting some really good feedback from you all, but I'm really keen to find out more about what you guys want. So drop a comment below if there's anything in particular that you want me to cook or give you a recipe for or focus on. So we're pretty much there. So we've been going, what, 30, 40 seconds. And as you can see, we've got a pretty good batter. This is very thin, and that's really good because we want the pancake or the crepe to be very thin. It's very different to the more American style fluffy pancakes. That is ready to go. Okay, so frying pan on the stove. Let's heat that up. Pop in a small knob of unsalted butter. Just let that do its thing, melt down. Then we're going to take 1 ladle of pancake mixture or batter, and we're just going to work its way around the base of your frying pan. And it's cooking as you go along. I'm just trying to spread it out nice and thinly. It's looking pretty good. So after a few seconds, just going to start poking away at the edges. You can see that this isn't sticking at all, which is lovely. Now this first pancake I'm making is a very basic savoury one with egg, ham and grated cheddar. We don't want to cook this pancake all the way through at this time because we want to make sure that the pancake's got time to cook off the egg. It's got time to cook the cheese and melt that as well. So I think this is pretty much ready. Just going to turn that over. That's looking good. So to start with the savoury pancake, we're going to put on half an egg. I'm just going to work that all the way around the pancake. I'm going to take some grated cheddar cheese, just lay that down. Then on top of that goes a couple of slices of ham. We'll leave that a few seconds. And then we're going to start to fold over the edges of the pancake. And that's going to seal it all in. That'll also help it to cook as well. And all this needs is roughly another 30 seconds or so. Right, this one is good to go. So this is a perfectly cooked savoury crepe. Cut into it, nothing runny in the middle. You can see the layers, you can see the crepe, we've got the egg, we've got the ham, and then we've got some nice cheese that's oozed out of it. Let's give that a try. Delicious. That's perfect starter for a pancake meal. Okay, so same again for the sweet pancake. Take the batter and work the way around the pan. And this time we're going to fully cook it off both sides. When you start to see small little bubbles puffing up there, it's pretty much ready to flip over. So take a spatula, pop it on. There you go. You can see it's nicely cooked on that side. So we'll leave that for about another minute. For these pancakes, I'm just going to be adding lemon and sugar. It's the classic crêpe Suzette. Add what you want. If you've got Nutella, peanut butter, banana, syrup, whatever, go for it. I think I just like to keep it nice and simple with lemon and sugar. Right, and this one's ready to go. Okay, so let's pop down our crepe. Now you can cook off a batch of these if you like, and you can keep them warm and then just reheat, or just leave them to go cold and they'll reheat fine later on. So I'm going to just take a little bit of lemon. There you go, work your way across there. And a little bit of sugar. A little bit more because I need the energy. Going to roll this up. And there we have perfectly cooked sweet pancake. It really is that simple to cook, guys. 3 ingredients, some fillings, 10 minutes of your time, and you've got your pancake day pancakes. So there we go. It really is that simple. 3 ingredients and you're done. Really appreciate you making it all the way to the end of the video. Drop a comment below. I'll definitely get back to you. Let me know what your favorite fillings are. But I'll be back soon with more great recipes. Until then, take care, guys. Until then, take care, guys.